Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I'm scared this thing is hot. Mm-mm. Alright, so yo, all I got for breakfast is a boy you eat. But let me tell y'all how last night when I got off of work, once I parked, you know, I'm not coming back out. So we was hungry, so we all decided on what we wanted to eat. So I was trying to order from this local pizza spot. And I'm literally less than 10 minutes from this spot, y'all. Why they told me that they're not driving that far? And I was not losing my parking spot. We was so hungry because they one of my kids had wanted a cheesesteak, and they said that they was not coming to the house, and it's a straight run. So mad. So we had to end up ordering like, it's not even a whole block away, but it was a Chinese store. We ended up ordering from them, and they came, it took them 2 hours. And I'm thinking, you know, it's snow out, so I'm thinking maybe 30 minutes, you know, 45 minutes to make, but it took them 2 hours. We ordered at 6:40, and the food didn't come to at the 8:30, and the food was. So tonight I'm gonna try to go to the market before I get off to get some groceries, because I can't do this another night. It's not it. But anyway, have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all. All right, y'all. So your boy wanted to show y'all his outfit. I don't know who he think he is. Let me see. Open your